Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're interested in the data engineering, cloud technologies, artificial intelligence, Azure Databricks, SQL Server, real world IT solutions, then you are in the right place. My goal is simple to share the practical knowledge that you can apply in your daily work and use to grow your career. About me, I work as a technical lead in the data engineering and cloud domain. Over the years, I have worked on Azure Databricks, SQL Server, data pipelines, cloud migration, production support, enterprise data platform, and solution design for large scale business applications. Throughout my career, I have learned that real growth comes not only from the understanding the concept, but also from the solving the real world problems. That's exactly what I want to bring to this channel. Why these channels? There are many channels that focus on the theory. This channel will focus on practical learning, real world scenarios, production challenges, troubleshooting, architecture discussion, and hands on solution. Whether you are a developer, data engineer, cloud engineer, architect, or someone looking to enter in the IT industry, I hope you will find valuable content here. Prompt Engineering Series Roadmap. In this series, we will cover what prompt engineering is and why it matters, the anatomy of an effective prompts, common prompting mistake and how to avoid them, zero shot, one shot, few shot prompting technique, chain of thought prompting, structure output such as a table, report, and JSON, prompt engineering for developers, data engineers, cloud engineers, advanced prompting technique, and reusable prompt framework, real world example and case studies. By end of this series, you will know how to get significantly better result from the AI tools and use them more effectively in your daily work. What you will learn in this series is designed to practical and easy to follow. You will learn how to write an effective prompt, generate a better code and documents, solve the technical problem faster, improve the productivity using the AI, create reusable prompt template, use AI tool more efficiently in real world projects. Every topic will explain with the practical and example rather than just theory. The next video, what is with the with the foundation of the answer a very important questions. What exactly in prompt engineering and why is becoming one of the most valuable skill in the AI era? Make sure you don't miss it. Thank you.